everyone! Today we're going to be making ramen our way. Here we have store-bought ramen, and you may know this traditionally to come with a packet of flavoring, but today we're going to show you how to make your own at home using 101 Flavors and Get Suckered flavor concentrates. We're going to be using from 101 Flavors garlic, sriracha, onion, and soy sauce flavoring. From Get Suckered, you will need the oils ginger and jalapeno oil. And to add color and just some fun to your bowl, we're going to be adding a little bit of red paprika and green chives. Okay, we have a small pot heating up here on our stove. To that, we're going to be adding water. Add in enough water for about 3 packets of ramen. Let's turn our heat up so we can get our water boiling. While the water is coming to a boil, we're going to be adding in our flavors. We're going to be using a half teaspoon of onion flavoring. Next, we're going to be adding in a half teaspoon of garlic, or you can add more depending on how much garlic you like. Next up is a sriracha flavor. Add in 1/2 teaspoon. Finally, our soy sauce. Add in 20 drops of soy sauce. To ensure we get some good color in our ramen, I'm going to be adding just a little bit of paprika. Now stir to combine and let that come to a boil. Because we aren't adding the seasoning packet that comes with the ramen normally, we're going to be adding our own salt. Okay, our water is finally coming up to a boil. We're going to be adding in our store-bought ramen packets one by one. Make sure you toss the seasoning packet because we already pre-seasoned our broth with the flavors from Get Suckered and 101 and a little bit of salt. Add your blocks of ramen into the boiling water. Cover and let simmer. Now our ramen is finally cooked. To our finished ramen, we're going to be adding just a couple of drops of ginger flavor oil from Get Suckered. We will also be adding, to finish this ramen off, and this is totally optional, but a little bit of jalapeno oil from Get Suckered. And finally, for color, we're going to just be adding a handful of green chives. Go ahead and mix that all into your ramen, plate up, and serve. And that's how you make your own ramen noodles at home using flavors. Thanks for watching. See you again next time. Bye.